Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to decrease data usage in Snapchat. By following these steps, you can conserve your mobile data and ensure a more efficient Snapchat usage. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 3. Inside your profile settings, tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner. This will open your Snapchat settings. Step 4. Search for the option labeled Data Saver and tap on it. Step 5. In the Data Saver menu, enable the toggle switch for Data Saver. This will optimize Snapchat's data usage and help conserve your mobile data. By decreasing data usage in Snapchat, you can enjoy using the app without worrying about excessive data consumption. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.